Space. We look up at it every night and think it looks peaceful. Beautiful even. But that's a lie the distance tells you. The universe is not peaceful. It is not safe. It is not designed for life. In fact, most of it is actively trying to erase everything that exists. Today, we rank the 10 most dangerous places in the known universe, from terrifying to genuinely incomprehensible. Let's start. Lawn 10, the surface of Venus. Most people think Mars is our dangerous neighbor. They're wrong. It's Venus. Venus looks beautiful from Earth, but land on its surface and you have less than 1 second before the problems begin. The temperature, 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, hot enough to melt tin, hot enough to melt zinc. But that's not even the worst part. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is 90 times greater than Earth's. That's like being 1 kilometer underwater. Every probe we've ever sent to Venus has been crushed and dissolved within minutes. The longest any spacecraft survived, 127 minutes. And that was considered a massive success. Venus doesn't just kill you, it erases you. 9. Magnetar, SGR, 1806-20. Imagine a star the size of a city, about 20 kilometers across. Now imagine that star has a magnetic field so powerful, it's 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. That's a magnetar. In December 2004, this magnetar had a flare. It lasted just 0.2 seconds. In those 0.2 seconds, it released more energy than our sun produces in 250,000 years. It disturbed Earth's ionosphere from 50,000 light years away. If this magnetar were where our moon is, a single flare would strip away Earth's atmosphere instantly. Everything dead, in under a second. By 8, the Bootes void. Here's something that will make you feel very small. The universe is full of galaxies, but there's a place in the constellation Bootes where there's nothing. 330 million light years of nothing. If the Milky Way were inside the Bootes void, humans wouldn't have discovered any other galaxies until the 1990s. The sky would have been dark. The void doesn't kill you with heat or radiation. It kills you with silence, with the realization that space doesn't care if you exist at all. Ma 7. A neutron star surface. A neutron star is what's left when a massive star dies and collapses, but doesn't quite become a black hole. What's left is a ball of matter so dense a single teaspoon weighs 10 million tons. The gravity is 200 billion times stronger than Earth's. If you were there, you would be compressed into a layer thinner than an atom in less than a millisecond. You would cease to have 3 dimensions. Some neutron stars spin hundreds of times per second, blasting radiation. We call them pulsars. A neutron star doesn't just kill you, it unmakes you. The 6. Planet HD 189733b. This planet looks from a distance like a beautiful blue marble, like Earth almost. Don't be fooled. The blue color isn't water, it's silicate particles, tiny fragments of glass, raining down. It rains glass, sideways, at 8,700 kilometers per hour. The temperature is over 1,000 degrees Celsius. It's tidally locked. The winds are the fastest ever recorded, nearly 9,000 km/h. Those glass shards, in that heat. No material we've created would survive 1 minute. This is not a planet. It's a blender made of broken glass, set on fire. 5. The galactic center. At the center of the Milky Way sits Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole 4 million times the mass of our sun. But it's not just the black hole, it's everything around it. Thousands of massive stars being born and dying in rapid bursts. A war zone. Radiation so intense no life could exist near it. Stars are shredded or swallowed before they ever get old. Sagittarius A erupts in flares, for now. For 4. Active gamma-ray burst zone. These are the most violent events since the Big Bang. Gamma-ray bursts. In 10 seconds, a gamma-ray burst releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. A cosmic laser. If one occurred within 6,000 light years, it would strip our ozone instantly. Mass extinction would begin within hours. We're just lucky for now. The 3. Inside a supernova. Stars die, most quietly, but the biggest ones, they go out screaming. A supernova outshines entire galaxies. In peak brightness, it releases more energy than the sun will produce in its life. The shockwave expands at 30,000 kilometers per second. Anything within a few light years is vaporized instantly. The heat reaches 100 billion degrees, 7,000 times hotter than the sun's core. The good news, Betelgeuse is 700 light years away. The bad news, it could be tomorrow, it could be 100,000 years from now. Marker 2. The event horizon of a black hole. We've arrived at something truly special. The edge of it, The point of no return. Cross it, and nothing can escape. The reality is spaghettification. You are stretched longer and longer, like cosmic spaghetti. For a supermassive black hole, you'd cross the event horizon before you felt it. You'd float through, not even knowing, and then time itself breaks down. Whatever exists at the center, the singularity, we have no equations, no theories. We have never been more honest about our ignorance. But one, the Planck epoch. Number one is not a place you can visit. It's a place that existed before the concept of place had any meaning. In the first 10 to the power of -43 seconds, the universe existed where every law of physics broke down. Density, infinite. Space and time did not exist. All the matter and energy of the observable universe compressed into a space smaller than an atom. It is the most extreme environment possible. Every dangerous place on this list, they are all just faint echoes of that first, incomprehensible moment. The universe began in the most violent event possible. 10 dangerous places, one dangerous universe, and somewhere in the middle of all of it, a small blue planet spinning quietly. Home to 8 billion people who mostly don't think about any of this. If this video made you feel small, good. That's the point. We're lucky to be here. If you want more videos like this, subscribe. Leave a comment. Which place scared you the most? I'll see you in the next one.